Hello everyone and welcome to Finty. Finty is the software every business needs. How, you may ask? With its user-friendly interface, it helps you manage your finances, tracking your payments and receipts. You can easily manage your inventory, create purchase and sales invoices, and get detailed financial reports and charts about your store's performance. Finty was designed by a team that fully understands the challenges small businesses face, whether it's a retail shop or a small repair service. To put it simply, we know what you need in your business, and that's exactly why you need Finty. With Finty, you can create separate, customized access for your employees, boosting the productivity of your salespeople or technicians, and the best part, it saves you time, which directly impacts your revenue. We've made Finty modular, which means when you check out the live demo, you might notice that some features aren't necessary for your business. No problem, our support team can easily disable them for you in no time. Finty can adapt to your business needs and be fully customized. Don't have a repair shop? No worries, our team can turn off that feature in no time. Finty's interface is simple, and because it's cloud-based, there is no installation needed. Plus, you don't have to worry about losing data, dealing with viruses, and you can access Finty from anywhere, even while traveling, and manage your business remotely using just your phone. We've set Finty's pricing to be super affordable and competitive, so small to medium-sized businesses can easily get started, bring order to their operations, and increase their revenue. Welcome to Finty, where managing your business has never been easier.